For 13 years, Help for Children has supported the Georgia Center for Child Advocacy's statewide prevention and education program. Thank you for supporting our work in preventing child sexual abuse, reducing childhood trauma, and promoting healthy outcomes in Georgia. Only through the continued generosity of supporters like Help for Children are we able to equip adults with awareness, education, and resources to take action.
Over the years, your grants have funded several projects, such as our Becoming a More Resilient Parent training, our Hispanic outreach program, and our success in reaching 200,000 adults throughout Georgia. We could not have done it without you.
I want to thank Help for Children for supporting our efforts to prevent child abuse and maltreatment here in Georgia. We became a grantee earlier in 2023. Your support allows us to bring resources, workshops, and information to child-facing adults in our community so that they can better recognize the signs and symptoms and risk factors that are behind child abuse and maltreatment. We know that anything that we do that strengthens families also prevents child abuse. And so that's why we bring workshops and information to parents and caregivers so that they can provide the best possible environment to raise their children. We know that the pinwheel is the symbol of preventing child abuse and maltreatment across Georgia and in fact across our country because it reminds us of what childhood should be about, a time of play and carefree and whimsy. We thank Help for Children for supporting us and that we can create that environment for our children here in Cobb County.
I am sending a heartfelt thanks to everyone at Help for Children for your support of Wellspring Living since 2016. Your support plays a pivotal role in helping us to provide the essential case management and mental health services to girls at Wellspring Living. I am here in our therapy room, the place where so much of the good work that you are supporting takes place. I also wanted to share a story with you of one girl, Aubrey. Aubrey came to Wellspring Living after having fallen into the hands of a trafficker. A few weeks after her time with us, she had the opportunity to go into a social outing. She connected with the other girls. They just enjoyed the moment as young ladies, being carefree and just soaking up each other's company. And afterwards, they were able to go to a restaurant nearby where they were allowed to choose and order their own meal. While Aubrey was in line, she started to cry. Well, it turned out that simple opportunity, the chance to order her own meal, was triggering. It reminded her of a time when she was not able to do that, when she was controlled by her trafficker and he made all the decisions for her. Because of the hours of therapy that Aubrey had received through Wellspring Living, she was able to process through those emotions with the staff by her side and get back to enjoying her day. Those hours of therapy, that ability to process past pain and trauma, is only possible because we have supporters like you. We are so grateful to Help for Children for your investment in the lives of Aubrey and so many girls like her through the mental health staffing that you're providing.
Help for Children has been supporting SafePath since 2012 with our clinical and intervention programs.
SafePath's mission is to reduce the trauma to children and their families by offering comprehensive, professional, and child-friendly approach to allegations of child abuse.
SafePath couldn't provide the services we do free of charge without support from Help for Children. With Help for Children's support, SafePath has been able to help over 8,000 children and their non-offending caregivers.
With the support from Help for Children, SafePath literally changes the lives of a child who has suffered from abuse. They may come to us at 3, they may come to us as teenagers, but with the support from Help for Children, we're able to give them therapy services, advocacy, follow-up, forensic services, and the most rewarding part of serving a child is when they grow up to be an adult, come back and knock on our doors, and want to serve on our board of directors, volunteer at our organization, and even the youngest victim we've had at 2 grew up and said, I want to work at SafePath. It's Help for Children that makes that difference. Thank you.